Imagine you're standing outside in complete darkness. You need light, but instead of switching on a flashlight, you tap an app. Seconds later, a giant mirror floating hundreds of miles above Earth reflects sunlight directly onto your location, making the night sky glow almost like daytime. It sounds like science fiction, but it's no longer just an idea. A newly approved space project could completely change the way we think about nighttime. But is this an incredible technological breakthrough, or the beginning of a serious global problem? Let's find out. A private space technology company has received approval to launch an experimental satellite equipped with a massive reflective mirror into low Earth orbit. The goal is surprisingly simple: redirect natural sunlight from space to specific locations on Earth after sunset. Instead of generating artificial light, the satellite would act like a giant mirror, bouncing sunlight exactly where it's needed. If successful, this technology could provide temporary illumination for selected areas without traditional lighting systems. While the concept sounds revolutionary, it has already sparked intense debate among scientists, researchers, and environmental experts. The satellite will orbit roughly 400 miles above Earth's surface. Once in orbit, it will unfold a square mirror measuring nearly 60 feet across. When requested, the mirror will carefully reflect sunlight toward a chosen location on Earth, creating a bright, illuminated area several miles wide. Because the system relies on sunlight already reaching space, it doesn't produce light itself. It simply redirects existing sunlight with incredible precision. In theory, this could provide temporary lighting in places where electricity is unavailable or during emergency situations. It's an ambitious engineering challenge unlike anything currently operating in space. Supporters believe the technology could have several valuable applications. Large solar energy facilities could potentially extend operations beyond sunset. Emergency response teams might gain temporary lighting during natural disasters when power grids fail. Remote construction projects, scientific expeditions, and disaster recovery missions could also benefit from portable illumination delivered directly from orbit. If developed responsibly, space-based sunlight could become a completely new tool for solving problems on Earth. But not everyone is excited. Astronomers worry that bright reflective satellites could interfere with observations of distant galaxies, stars, and other objects in deep space. Dark skies are essential for many scientific discoveries, and increasing artificial brightness from orbit could make that research much more difficult. Biologists are raising another major concern. Many living organisms, including humans, depend on natural day and night cycles. Changing nighttime brightness could potentially affect sleep patterns, animal migration, insect behavior, plant growth, and even tiny marine organisms that play an essential role in Earth's ecosystems. Critics also worry that if thousands of these mirrors are launched in the future, the cumulative effect on the planet's natural environment could be significant. The technology may solve some problems while creating entirely new ones. This project represents a fascinating moment in the future of space technology. On one hand, it demonstrates how creative engineering could help humanity tackle real-world challenges. On the other, it reminds us that even the most innovative ideas can have consequences that extend far beyond their original purpose. As testing begins, scientists around the world will be watching closely to see whether giant mirrors in space become a revolutionary new technology or a lesson in why some parts of nature should remain untouched. So what do you think? Would you welcome satellites that can light up the night? Or should the night sky stay exactly as nature intended? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating space and science stories.